There is a bald eagle right up there.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. Got a white head.
He is very big.
He's fishing.
I'm looking
Fishing
strong.
like we are at the Mogollon Rim at Woods Canyon. Probably about 30 miles from Show Low. It's about 60 degrees. Fishing's been good. We've caught a bunch of little fish, thrown them back. We got one big one hanging on the side. And just trying to catch another fish here off the peak of this little area where we come here. So you can see where it peaks off right there. It goes off into the corner. We've had a lot of luck through this little area with trout hitting. So we'll see if we can catch one while we're videoing.
What is that dog doing?
What is that dog doing? That dog's barking. See if we can catch a fish
done?
through here. Yeah, just see if we can catch a fish through here real quick.
We got our poles on the line. Just waiting for a rainbow trout. Right?
Tiger trout. Super cool tiger trout.
I just saw a big one jump. That's a good shot. Bald eagle right there, people.
Alright, we're gonna beeline it out of here. We'll video again.
Be quiet!
Alright, peace out. Subscribe.